Hey everyone, it's Josh at Kenworth of Richfield, and today we're going to talk about this 2018 Kenworth T370. We're going to look at this one a bit differently though, as this truck is set up specifically to help you take care of your streets and parking lots. In this, there are a lot of little touches that help yield some huge benefits for you. That is why Kenworth is the world's best. Nothing is more frustrating than having to take 2, 3, or even 4 shots to turn around in a cul-de-sac. Not with this truck. Even the tightest spot is easy to get into and out of with this truck thanks to a very sharp wheel cut. On top of that, the dual power steering gearboxes make turning that sharp so it can be a one-handed, no-sweat operation, even with the plow on the front. It takes power to move snow, and this truck has it, courtesy of a 350 horsepower, 1,000 foot-pound of torque PACCAR PX9 engine. All of that power is pushed to the rear wheels via a durable 3000 RDS Allison automatic transmission. The Henderson body on this chassis is just as well designed and just as tough as the truck that's underneath it. Using a 10-foot long 201 stainless steel tub body, this bed is designed to make sure that your payload slides easily so there's no wasted time trying to break up clumps. It's got a 38-inch tailgate and 30-inch sides. On each side, you're going to find a 60-gallon removable wet tank. In the bed, those are 5-inch wide steps that you can install on each side of the bed, so that way you've got easy access when you need it. And you'll also find the Henderson pin and loop snowplow hitch ready for whatever width snowplow you're going to need. All in all, this is the truck to have when moving snow, cleaning ditches, or otherwise working in those tight spaces. Make sure that you call us today for more information about this great truck. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you give us the thumbs up if you like this. And if you have any questions, put those in the comments below. Remember, keep it rubber side down, and we will catch you on the flip side.